Hiya, welcome back to Gosforth Handyman. Another Gosforth Handyman Tips Library video for you. And today's video is all about batching up big jobs of cutting lots of sheet goods down and lots of material all down at the same time. So for this particular job here, I've got two of these kind of random shelving units to build. And it looks fairly straightforward, but it's far from straightforward because there's two alcoves. Both alcoves are different sizes, they're both slightly different widths, they're both slightly different depths. So it's not as simple as just saying make all of this times two. And the way I'm making these particular shelves is that they're going to be effectively skinned shelves, so just to kind of reduce the weight of everything. So there's going to be a side and then a core, so that it's not as heavy, but it'll still be very, very strong. So there's a lot of cuts to do here. Some of them are going to be dadoed, they're going to be false dados on the ends, there's going to be actual dados on some of the joints in the middle. So I've worked all that out. So I'm probably going to have best part of 60 cuts to do here, maybe more. There's a lot of cuts to do. So what I've done is I've spent a good hour working out the cutting plan, and this is the cutting plan here. So this is literally every single cut that I need to do. And okay, it might have taken us an hour to sort this out and think it all through, but trust me, that is going to save me so much time when it comes to actually cutting the wood, because what I don't want to be doing is like, oh, how long's this bit, and going and cutting it and then coming back and, oh, do I need to do a dado on that bit, and going off and cutting it and coming back. That's such a slow way of working. I just want to go cut, 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 you know, just zoom through this whole list, get everything cut. You know, with any luck, because of the pre-planning that I've done here, I think I can get all the cutting done in about an hour. Whereas if I did it going backwards and forwards, it would take us a whole day to get all these cuts done. So doing it this way, it basically means that I can get all the cuts done in the morning, and then in the afternoon I can get all the assembly done. I'll talk about this job in a bit more detail on a separate video, because it's quite an interesting one. But I'll just show you as well in the actual shop. I've got everything set up for doing the cutting. My workshop has effectively turned into a sheet good cutting shop. You know, table saws well out the road, everything's just set up. I'm going to cut these in twos because I'm going to do the top skin and bottom skin in one go. So these are sheets of 12mm MDF that I've got here. They're clamped together, ready to go, so that I can do two at once, and that straight away halves the number of cuts. Saws all set up at the correct depth. Dust extraction's all set up. My compressor's charged up, ready for blowing stuff down and blowing the rails down to keep them nice and sticky. You can see my video about that on my tips video for track saws. But just keeping the rails so that they're not going to be easily sliding around, I just use the blower to clean the bottom of the rails to stop them from sliding around. I've got my tape measure, I've got a whole bunch of sharp pencils ready to go. I can now just zoom through it, so I can do measure, cut, measure, cut, measure, cut, all the way down that sheet. And I've got the next boards ready underneath, so I've got that, and I've got the Celotex underneath that to protect these boards, and then I've got the next two boards underneath. So I'm going to do all the cuts for the right hand set of shelves, then all the cuts for the left hand set of shelves. Okay, it's probably taken us a good hour and a half of preparation time, but trust me, it's going to make life so much quicker in the long run. So, you know, on jobs like this, it's worth just giving it a little bit of thought. What can I do to prepare in advance? Have I got a picture of this? I've also colour coded a lot of these cuts as well, so you can see that yellow bit there, for example, is that bit there. These orangey ready bits here are these vertical bits. So for some of the bits where it might not be 100% obvious where they're going, I've marked it out on the plan. There's hopefully what it'll look like when it's all done. with any luck. But as I say, we'll talk about that in a separate video. There you go, hope you found that one useful. Prepare, prepare and prepare. Makes life so much quicker in the long run. See you next time. Bye.